An industrial robot manufacturing company is tasked to design a humanoid robot to be used in the warehouses where the robots need to pick items from the stack of shelves, and the height of the topmost shelf is given to you as 7 feet. To operate the robot has to move on a track which is running parallel to the stack of shelves. So there is a stack of shelf and the robot has to move parallel to the stack of shelf in order to be able to move the items on this shelf. The track is fixed 1 foot away from the base of stack of shelves. So if this is the stack of shelves, then this will be the track on which the robot can move, and it will be at a distance of 1 foot from this stack of shelves. Further, the robot can raise its arm only to 60 degree from the horizontal plane. So the robot can lift the arm but only up to 60 degrees from the horizontal plane. If robot's arm are attached to its shoulder, what should be the minimum height of the robot from the ground to the shoulder for its arm to reach the topmost shelf? The topmost shelf is at a height of 7 feet from the base. So let's say this is the base that we are talking about, and the topmost item is at 7 feet height, right? Now, robot arm can move only 60 degrees with the horizontal axis, right? Or the horizontal plane. Now, robot is at a distance of 1 feet from this shelf. So this is 1 feet given to you, and this will be the height of the robot that we are talking about. Now, if the robot has to reach the highest point on the shelf, which is at 7 feet, it can lift its arm, and maximum that it can lift is up to 60 degree. So this is the arm that we are talking about, and from the horizontal plane it can make an angle of 60 degrees. So this angle present over here is 60 degree, right? Now what should be the height of the robot from the floor to its shoulder, right? This is the height that the question is asking you. Now if this angle is 60 degree and this distance present over here is 1 feet, then we can figure out this value with the help of trigonometric ratios, which is 1060. What will be 1060? 1060 is root 3. And let's say I take this height as a, then 1060 can also be written as a by 1, which should be equals to root over of 3. So the value of a turns out to be root over of 3. Then what should be the height of the robot from the floor to the shoulder? It should be 7 feet, which was this distance, minus a units, which is root over of 3. So this length must be 7 minus root over of 3, and the answer to this question should be option B, 7 minus root over of 3 feet.